Decoding Dress Codes. Understanding black tie. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very special topic to discuss, the phrase, black tie. Whether you've received an invitation with this dress code or just heard it in movies and TV shows, you might be wondering what exactly it means. Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what black tie entails and when it's appropriate to dress this way. So, let's dive right in. Black tie is a dress code that originated in the 19th century. It is considered to be semi-formal attire, positioned between the casual and formal ends of the clothing spectrum. When an event is labeled as black tie, it indicates a certain level of formality and elegance. Men are typically expected to wear a tuxedo, which includes a black jacket, black trousers, a white shirt, a black bow tie, and often a cummerbund or vest. Women, on the other hand, should opt for a formal gown or a stylish cocktail dress. Black tie events are usually evening affairs, starting after 6 p.m. These can include galas, weddings, award ceremonies, and formal parties. It's crucial to adhere to this dress code when it's specified, as it shows respect for the event and its hosts. If you're unsure about how formal the event will be, it's always a good idea to check with the host or organizer beforehand. This ensures that you arrive appropriately dressed and comfortable. For men, ensure that your tuxedo is well fitted and in good condition. Pay attention to the details, like ensuring your shoes are polished, and your bow tie is properly tied. For women, choose a gown or dress that is elegant and suits the occasion. Consider the length of the dress, the fit, and the color to ensure you strike the right balance between elegance and comfort. Accessories are key for both men and women. Opt for subtle, elegant pieces that complement your outfit without overwhelming it. And there you have it, a complete guide to understanding the black tie dress code. We hope this video has clarified any confusion and that you now feel confident in dressing appropriately for your next black tie event. Remember, it's all about respecting the occasion and feeling your best. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time,